Watch me bloom. This is my moment.
Beauty was never meant to stand still. Now, let yourself bloom.
This sunset is absolutely perfect. Only because we brought the popsicles? Then let's make it even sweeter. Cheers to that!
Ready for the full picture? Now you see it.